Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So this is actually a recreation of the game Snake, and I created this a while ago on my old account. So when I press a green flag, I'm going to play as this black square, and my goal is to collect the green square. And every time I collect one, it will make it so that I have a tail that grows longer and longer. So I can move with the arrow keys. Once I start moving, I can't stop. Now, if I touch the outside edge like that, it's going to stop the game and I have to redo it. Or if I'm playing through this game and my tail gets too long, and let's say I get stuck on my tail like that, then it also will end the game. So eventually this can get to the point where your tail is really long and it can wrap around the screen multiple times, and it just keeps getting harder and harder. So if you're interested, you could try and reverse engineer this game just by playing this and seeing, how can I create this neat idea using code? Or if you click the link that's in the description below, if you're watching this on YouTube, and then click See Inside, you can actually read the comments that I've added for each one of these sprites. Now, this code is actually pretty simple, so this is actually not a very difficult project to create. But you could make it harder by maybe adding in some enemies or some power-ups or some other things that you create in your own version. If you create your own version of Snake, make sure you share below in the comments a link to your Scratch studio or your Scratch project so everybody can see something that you've created, and maybe I'll share it on these neat idea videos on our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.